Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I will be showing you how you can add picture in Notability. So let's get straight into it. We will go step by step, pretty easy and simple. So let's get straight into it. Now open up your note in your Notability, and what you will gonna do is go down here in the middle of your page. You will see here some tools that you can use, and go here to the circle, and inside is plus. That means insert. So click on that, and this window file search will open up, and select an image if you have it, and like that you placed yourself an image into the Notability node, like that. So this is how you can import add picture in Notability. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.